My friends, every AI tool promises to save you time. And every time you still end up doing the last 80% yourself. Let's see if that's changing. Those systems are everywhere right now, but most of them still feel like assistants rather than actual working tools. You ask something, get a response, and then you still have to go and do the real work yourself. I'm Daniel, and in this video we are going to take a look at TRAE SOLO. It's a tool that approaches things a bit differently by focusing not just on answers, but on actually completing tasks. And that's what makes it interesting, because this feels like a shift from just chatting with AI to actually working with it. So let's see how it works in practice. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright, let's get started. So basically, mates, TRAE SOLO is not just a chatbot, but more of a working environment where you can assign tasks and get real outputs. Instead of writing long prompts and figuring everything out step by step, you simply define what you want, and the system handles the execution. It's designed to work with your files, your data, and your overall workflow. Another important part is that it works both on desktop and in the browser, which makes it flexible depending on how you want to use it. You can run tasks locally or let them run in the cloud, which means you're not limited by your device. This also allows it to process multiple tasks at the same time in the background. And because it understands the context of your files and previous work, you don't have to start from zero every time. It connects everything inside one workspace and uses that context to generate more relevant results. Guys, what's important here is that this isn't just for developers. You can use it for things like analysis, research, content, or general tasks, which makes it much more flexible. Instead of just talking about features, let me quickly show you a few of them in action. Here you can see how the system integrates different tools directly into the workflow, so you don't have to switch between platforms or manage everything separately. And this is where it becomes really practical. You can work with your local files directly inside Solo without uploading or moving everything manually. You can also review and adjust things in real time by selecting elements and adding comments, which makes the whole process much more interactive and easier to control. And on top of that, it supports a wide range of file types, so you're not limited to one format and can work more flexibly depending on your task. Folks, let's move from theory to practice and see how TRAE SOLO works in action. Right now we are inside the workspace. This is where all your files, tasks, and results are managed. It is basically your main working area. Instead of uploading files, we can start by asking it to build something from scratch. For example, instead of something basic, we can ask it to build a business analytics dashboard just to see how it handles a more real-world task. This makes the demo much more relevant, especially if you're working with data or running a business. Now we define the task and tell the system exactly what we want. In this case, we are asking it to create a business analytics dashboard with charts, metrics, and a clean layout. And instead of just explaining how to do it, the system actually starts building it for us. Mates, once the task is submitted, the system starts processing it step by step. You can see how it generates the structure, the logic, and the code. It doesn't just return an answer, but actually creates something usable. This is where it starts to feel more like a tool than a chatbot. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. One more important thing here is that these tasks don't just run locally. Solo can process multiple things at the same time in the cloud, so you're not limited by your device or resources. My friends, once it's done, you already have a working dashboard that you can open and explore right away. In this case, we get a business analytics interface with charts, metrics, and structured data that we can interact with immediately. And this is also where things get more interesting. Instead of starting from scratch, we can now take this base and improve it further by refining the UI, enhancing the charts, and making the overall layout more polished. For example, you can ask it to expand the dashboard by adding revenue analytics, customer segmentation, and more detailed performance charts. And the nice part is that every time you update your request, you immediately see how the output evolves. The dashboard becomes more structured, more informative, and closer to something you could actually use in a real business scenario. This makes the whole process feel very interactive, because instead of rebuilding anything, you're continuously improving what's already there. Folks, another useful thing is that you can ask it to handle multiple things at once. Instead of going step by step, you can combine tasks like improving the interface and adding new functionality in a single request. This not only speeds things up, but also reduces the amount of back and forth you normally have when building something like this. And finally, the platform includes two modes: MTC mode and code. MTC mode is where you interact with the system, give it tasks, and guide the overall direction, while code mode is where you can actually see how everything is built and work with the implementation directly. So depending on what you need, you can move between these two approaches, which makes the workflow much more flexible. And it also means you're not just getting results, you can actually understand and control how everything is created. So guys, that's essentially what TRAE Solo is about. It shifts the focus from just generating responses to actually completing tasks, which makes it feel more like a working tool rather than just an assistant. Instead of helping you think about what to do next, it helps you move forward with actual results. This also reflects a bigger trend in how these tools are evolving. It's no longer just about conversations, but about execution and getting real work done faster. And that's where tools like this can make a noticeable difference. TRAE Solo is officially available now, so if you want to test it yourself, check the official link in the description and see how it fits into your workflow. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, until next time!